What's up everyone? I'm really excited about this LED headboard I just built. It's actually very simple to make, and I did this on purpose because I am building two more just like it for an Airbnb investment property I just bought. This one was basically just practice. This headboard is actually attached to the wall and doesn't have any legs, although I could easily carry the 1x3s in the back here down and attach it to my custom bed frame I made. Having it attached to the wall just reduces the amount of things that can break in an Airbnb property when you have hundreds of random people coming and staying the night every single year. Let's go through this build together and we'll go through some of the features and design process later. We are now in the workshop. I will have a list of the materials with the dimensions and the tools I use down in the description below so you can check it out there. I don't really want to bore you with that here in this video, but it's basically just a combination of 5 1x4s, 2 1x2s, and a 1x3. Then you just cut it to the width of your bed, whether it's a queen, a king, or whatever size you might have. It's so simple. Then I'll make a frame that attaches to the back of the headboard, and that's what actually attaches to the studs in the wall. Therefore, there won't be any screws or nails visible from the front of the headboard. So first I'm going to cut my headboard 65 inches long to fit a queen size bed. I'm making this frame a ½ inch shorter in each direction compared to the headboard face. So I've stained everything back here. I'm going to wait until tomorrow before I clear coat and finish it off. So as I said before, I'm going to leave off the top board and the bottom board, and so that way I can still mount on my frame to the wall. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We're actually going to start with the 1x2 that's on top there and use that as our board. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. This is the top of my headboard here, and this is my frame. I'm going to align the frame, the bottom of the frame, with the bottom of this 1x2. Just like that. Then I need to make sure I have the same amount left over here as I do on the other side over there, so this stays centered. The frame is just 1½ inches smaller in each direction than my headboard, so it's 62 inches long, and the middle boards are about 16 inches long or so. Now you can kind of see why I built it this way. I have all these middle boards here attached, but you can still see the back frame. So now I can hang this up against my wall, mark the studs, drill the holes through the frame, and then screw this into the wall. Then I can come back with my face boards here to cover up any screw holes, and then there will be a few nail holes on the front, or I could just glue this in and keep it completely nail free. I know, genius, right? Now it's time to install the LED light strip. These are the Minger brand, which I've used for a previous headboard build, which I'll have linked right up here. I have a video on that. It's a completely different style. It's pretty cool. I've also used these in my home gym, so they worked out great. They're cheap and they have amazing reviews on Amazon, so of course these are the ones I went with, and they've worked so far. But I'm gonna install these now while the frame is still pretty exposed, so it's easy to get to. So if I'm looking at my bed, the outlet is on the right side of my bed. So I'm going to start with the male end on that side. So I'm gonna take my 1/8 drill bit here and drill into the holes that I marked into the bed frame. Then I'm going to use these 3-inch construction screws here to drill the frame into the studs. Wow guys, this came out really cool. This is just my guest room, so come on over friends. I have brand new LED recessed lights installed. I also made these 2 nightstands over here. All of that content is out on my YouTube channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe while you're at it. It's a free way for you to show your support. Plus, I will have a ton more Airbnb type of content coming out on my furniture builds where I save so much money. The DIY stuff will be on this channel. My actual real estate investment on the Airbnb, the whole journey and everything will be out on my other channel linked right up here. Check it out and I'll see you on the next one.